You're welcome in your maths, and I got a new problem. Here it is a circle, and we have to prove that AB is equal to CD, where this length is A, from here to here this is B, and this is C, and from here to here this is D. And we know that we have to prove AB is equal to CD. So for proving this, we join these 2 points and also these 2 points as well. So now we know that arc subtends equal angle at circumference. So here, as you can see, this is the arc and it subtends equal angle. Let's suppose this is theta, so this will also be theta. Now you can clearly see the other arc, and from here this arc also subtends equal angle, so let both angles be alpha. So now you can clearly see that these two triangles now become similar from angle criteria. Now the opposite side of the theta is B in this triangle, and in this triangle this is D is equal to the opposite side of alpha is C, by here this is A, so we can simply write AB is equal to CD. So hopefully you get it. So don't forget to like and subscribe.